लायन्स क्लब ऑफ हळदोणान दी हळदोणा इन्स्टिट्यूटाच्या सहकार्यान चर्चासत्रां आयोजीत केल्ली. नवमार्ग फाउंडेशनाच्या डॉक्टर सेलेस्को फर्नांडीस हांच्यांनी वेल्थ मॅनेजमेंटाचेर चर्चासत्रां आयोजीत केल्ली. आपल्या कश्टाच्या कमायेची बचत कशी करची ह्या बाबतींत ह्या वेळार सादरीकरण केलें. आरडीएक्स खातीर हळदोणच्यान सुशील शुक्ला.
Well, in fact, today was a really enthusiastic day, and I must be very much thankful to the Lions Club of Aldona for giving this opportunity to address so many parents as well as senior citizens over here on financial literacy. Financial literacy today is one thing which is actually lacking as far as Goa is concerned. And let me tell you, after seeing the crowd, the way the response we got, many of them understood why investing is very, very important for us to enjoy life. If we don't invest and just keep our money lying idle, people itself will suffer. And with today's inflation, with today's GST, and with this demonetization, financial literacy is going to be critical for our school children. If our school children don't learn about it, they are going to be falling in trouble. So we need to do something, and Lions Club is one organization which is helping me a lot to reach out to the youngsters. I would suggest they do it directly, immediately for the Leo Club, and Leos should understand this concept very soon.